What's up, YouTube? This is Richard Skeletor, and today we're going to be talking about why raising your vibration will lower the resistance of anything you're trying to manifest. If you get happier and if you get to a state of appreciation or a place of feeling good, you will not only manifest things quicker, and I will scientifically show you how and why in this video. So first of all, I'm going to link another video up for anybody that wants to start a law of attraction process. So I'm going to link that video up below, so be looking for that if you haven't started your own law of attraction process. That process will enable you to do things on a daily basis. So you have to, any law of attraction process you're going to have to do daily. So go ahead and look at that video first, and then go ahead and look at this video or a video similar to this. Okay, so let's say you have a law of attraction process, one that you're doing on a daily basis, okay? Now, raising your vibration and then doing your process is going to have great benefit and great value. The reason that is because feeling good is where all the power is. If I get my state of being to a state of appreciation, guess what happens? All of a sudden, all my manifestations come quicker because of the state of being, because it lowers the resistance towards anything I'm trying to manifest. Well, how can that be? How do you know that? Well, I'm going to show you right now. So the first thing you got to do is you got to see what your state of being is. Right now, I'm not feeling too good, so my state of being is kind of low. Okay, I went to work, came back, and now my being is kind of low. I'm like, I'm going to make a video, but I'm going to raise my vibration just to prove a point to you guys, okay, of how this works and why this works. Now, I want you to try this exercise. Try it towards anything, okay? So I'm going to pick a subject. I'm going to pick money. Okay, so right now I'm going to pick something that I want to manifest. Let's say I wanted to manifest. I want you guys to try this too, okay? I want to manifest $10,000, okay? I'm going to say an affirmation. $10,000 comes easily and effortless to me. $10,000 comes easily and effortless to me. So if I was to close my eyes and say that affirmation in my mind, $10,000 comes easily and effortless to me. Okay. What is the resistance I have towards this? So I close my eyes. So if on a scale from 10 to 0, 0 being no resistance, 10 being a whole bunch of resistance, okay? 7. I get a resistance level of 7. So close your eyes and try to do that and see where you get that resistance level of. So just try $10,000. It can be any amount, but just go ahead and try it. But I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you something about your state of being and how it lowers resistance, okay? So the first thing you got to do is you know where your level is, okay? I found my level. My level was a 7, right? Yeah, I wrote it down, 7 right here. I'm writing it down. See with the pen, 7. Okay, so I'm at 7. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to raise my vibration. Now, I have another technique for this. Now, I showed you guys before. It's called I feel great, I feel great, I feel great. And that will raise your vibration. It will raise your vibration. So I'm going to go ahead and start that now and do it for 30 seconds. You guys follow along with me. See how this works for you. And then I'm going to check my resistance level. My resistance was a 7 before. So all I'm doing really by saying that I feel great, it's going to get my state of being to a higher state of being, a higher state of feeling good. Okay, which is raising my vibration, okay? If I raise my vibration, I guarantee it's going to bring that resistance level down for what I just checked. $10,000 comes easy and effortless to me. Go ahead, we're going to try it now. I feel great, I feel great, I feel great, I feel great, I feel great. I feel great, 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 feel great, I feel great, I feel great, I feel great, feel great, I 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 feel great, feel great, I 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 feel great, feel great, I feel great. Okay, that was 30 seconds. So I'm going to go ahead and I can already feel that I'm feeling happier. I can already feel in my body that I'm feeling, I raised my vibration some. So I'm going to go ahead and check that. $10,000 comes easily and effortless to me. Okay, that was a 7 before. So I look at that. A 3. It went down to a 3. So it went from a 7 to a 3. Okay, so by me checking that and seeing where that is in my mind, if I say, oh, this, I feel, oh, it's this, I feel it's a 3. So right there, by just raising my vibration and then checking my resistance level, $10,000 comes easily and effortless to me, already dropped down to a 3. So if I would have done it longer, let's say for a minute and a half, I guarantee that would have came down to a 0. So that proves to me, and I know this because I've tried this, I've tried many experiments with beliefs, affirmations, how to write affirmations, how to get the best manifest results with affirmations. And the only thing that I found is when you raise your vibration and you go after whatever you're trying to go after, it's going to manifest quicker because you're in that state of being. It doesn't matter if it's visualization. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's affirmations. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's scripting. It doesn't matter any technique you do. As soon as you get to that high vibration, and then you apply your law of attraction process, you're gonna get results quicker because there's less resistance. So that's what I want to leave you with today, guys. Go ahead and try this. Okay, try this little simple experiment that I showed you. Okay, do the 30 seconds. I feel great. I feel great. I feel great. Or do it longer and just pick something, pick relationships, money, and just think of the affirmation. You can even visualize it, it'll work. It doesn't matter if you visualize it, it doesn't matter if you use an affirmation. It's the same exact thing. The higher your state of being, okay, you get to that high state of being, that high state of feeling good, then you try to manifest something, and it's going to come quicker because there's less resistance. And you can just check it. Okay, I have more resistance to it, I have less resistance to it, and you're going to see it. Okay, so this is how you know, by feeling good and then practicing your process is going to bring you results. All right, guys, tell me what you think. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Okay, really, if you tried this experiment, if you see how it worked for you, and you see the logic behind it, you see what it did with your own resistance, because remember, it's your own mind that's telling you there's less resistance. It's not somebody else in the world. It's not a psychic. It's not somebody telling you that. It's your own self. So when you start trusting yourself, you're going to see the results. All right, take care, guys. Bye.